Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO M863 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this tablet. First of all, just go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. After that, you need to download this free app from this developer and choose Open. Now choose Allow in the pop-ups and select Home button. After that, you need to choose iOS Launcher over here and now Always. Then click Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. You can always switch between your layouts though by going into Settings, choosing Apps and Notifications section over here, tapping on Default Apps and selecting Home app. To go back into your default one, click on Quick Step. If you wish to apply iOS, just tap on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!